Hello, welcome back to my channel. This is Victoria Otin. In today's video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on how to create and customize a professional YouTube channel, how to set it up, and even how to upload your video. So let's get right in, shall we? Alright. Now we are going to use Chrome browser. Log into your Chrome browser and search for youtube.com. Once you search for youtube.com, now before you can be able to open an account with YouTube, you need to have a Gmail account. Once you have a Gmail account, it simply means you have a YouTube channel partially. It's just for you to do some setup and then you are good to go. Now once you log into youtube.com, come over to this V icon. Click on this icon. Your own may not be V. Your own may be the first letter of your name. Come over to this V, click on it. You can see here create a channel. Click on create a channel. The reason that features here are so tiny is because I'm using a smartphone to do this. I'm showing you how to do this with a smartphone, okay? So if you are using a laptop, some of the features will show up and then everything will be boldly written, okay? Go ahead to give your channel a name. Now for the sake of this tutorial, I will be giving my channel a name. Let me say School of Confidence. School of Confidence for women. Okay, that happens to be my channel's name. Click on create channel. Okay, now at this point I will go into the main app to continue with the customization. Once you are done opening your account to this point, just go over to the main app to continue with it. Once you get to this point, you can see here this pencil icon. These stuffs that look like pencil. Click on it. It opens the full channel where you can be able to set up right from the profile picture, the name, the handles, and the description, and so on. This is where you will put your channel banner. Alright, here. And this is where you will put your channel profile. Once you click on this camera icon, it will take you to your gallery. You can edit your channel name. Just click on this pencil icon. You can adjust it to anything else. Okay, you can adjust your channel's name and then save. Once you edit anything, click on save. Alright, you can click here and copy your channel link, and your channel description will be here, and you can always come and make adjustments. You can always come and edit your channel description, and then once you are done, click on save. Another thing is privacy. You can see here privacy. Keep all my subscriptions private. If you want all your subscriptions to be private, you don't want people to know when one person subscribed to your channel, when two persons joined your channel. If you want it to be private, switch it on. If you want it to be visible for people to know that someone has joined your channel, someone has subscribed to your channel, switch it off, okay? Alright, that is that for this part, and then let's move to the other parts. Okay, to those of you that doesn't know what YouTube banner is all about, this is how it looks like. You can see here Kingdom Living TV. Subscribe, and then the person's name will be there. Just for you to design a compelling YouTube banner that reflects your channel's niche, and perhaps your logo must be there as well. That's your channel logo or your business logo needs to be there as well. Okay, it's just simple. Just go to Canva and design one for yourself. Okay, I'm just uploading here to show you how it works. The example of YouTube banner. You can see here Kingdom Living TV. That is how it looks like. Now once you are done uploading your YouTube banner, and then what you have to do next is your YouTube verification. This one is very important. Most people don't know about this, but it's very important that you verify your YouTube account. So what you have to do is to go to Chrome browser and then search for youtube.verify account. Alright, once you do that, to verify your channel is to just enter your phone number, and then verification code will be sent to you via text message or phone call. It's just for you to confirm that you owned the account. Okay, just it's very necessary you verify your account. You can see here, verify your YouTube account. Click on it and then just go ahead to click on this to verify your channel. Once you click on that link, it will take you to a page where you can verify your channel. Okay, once your account has been verified, what you need to do next is to download this app, YT Studio. Just go to Play Store and search for YT Studio. You can see it's already up here, YT Studio. This very one, download this app. Is very helpful. Like, it will really help you. Download the app. You can see I've already downloaded. My own is open. So once you download the app, okay, at this point, if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel and click the bell notification icon so that you always get notified whenever I post a new video. Here we share tips on how to make money online and how to become the best version of yourself financially, academically, and in every area of life. Okay, if making money online and becoming the best version of yourself is what you want, this is the best place for you to stick to. Okay, just subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Alright, I hope you have done that. Come over to your channel and then let's upload a video. Once you click on create, you can see here create a short, upload a video, go live, create a post. Now if you want to create a short video of 30 seconds, 1 minute, go ahead to click on create a short. You know about YouTube short, right? Okay, this is where to post those YouTube shorts. Okay, now if you want to upload a video that is beyond 1 minute, come over to this upload a video. Once you click on upload a video, let me choose any video so that I can use as an example to show you something. Okay, let me use this 29-second video of mine. This is where I need to put my video title. You have to pay attention to your video title, the description, and the tags for more discoverability so that your video can be searchable. Give your video a title here and then add the video description. What best describe your video? What is your video all about? Make sure you put in here. And also, if you want your video to be public, of course it will be public. You want it to be public, right? For people to view, and then you have your own views. Let it be public. If you want it to be private, let it be private. If you want it to be unlisted, let it be unlisted. Anybody that you give link to the video can have access to the video. This is what unlisted means. Okay, if you want to schedule your video, maybe you upload a video today and you want it to be live maybe tomorrow evening, make sure you schedule the video for tomorrow. This is how to schedule a video. Now come down to this comment. You can see keep comments on. If you want people to comment on your video, let it be on. If you want it to be off, you off it here. Add to playlist. Make sure you organize your videos into playlists to make it easier for your viewers to navigate and watch related content. It is very important. When you have this one, can only work when you have up to 5 or more videos in different niches. Maybe you have a video on business, you have another video on personal development. You can add to playlist, differentiate a video that is in personal development and a video that has to do with business. Okay, that is the function of playlist. Now once you are done adding all these steps, click on next. Now once you click on next, you can see here select audience. Is your video for kids? Is it for adults? If it is for kids, just click on yes, it's made for kids. But if it is not for kids, just say tick this circle, no, it's not made for kids. It's very important, don't forget. All right, then once you are done with that, click on this upload video. Okay, you can see the video is uploading. We have to wait. I have to pause this video, and then once it's done uploading, I will come back and continue. Okay, now you can see the video has been uploaded to my channel successfully. That's how to upload a video to your YouTube channel. Now remember the app I told you to download, the YT Studio app I told you to download. Now this is the point that you need to use that app, YT Studio. Okay, once you open the app, you can see the video I uploaded is already here in that app. Okay, any views you have will indicate here. You can see here there is dashboard here. You can see this is the dashboard. This is where your video will be displayed, and this is content. Your videos will be showing here as well. This is my video, the video I just uploaded. You can see here we are in YT Studio now, not the normal YouTube app. Okay, and when you get to this point, you can see here content. Once you click on content, your video will display here, and then click on the video. Once you click on the video, and you can decide to add your video thumbnail here. Remember, this is the only app you can use to add a thumbnail to your video. Click on this pencil icon. You can see this pencil icon. Click on it. Now once you click on the pencil icon, it opens a tab for you to edit anything you want to edit in this video. Now continue to click on this pencil icon again. Once you click on the pencil icon, you can see here thumbnail. You can decide to use a thumbnail from your video. To some of you that doesn't know what thumbnail is, this is how thumbnail looks like. Your thumbnail has to be so catchy so that it can attract people to watch your video. Thumbnail is what people see first before they even make any move to watch your video, to click on your video and watch. So make sure you design a captivating thumbnail for your video. If you don't know how to design, pay someone to design a thumbnail for you. If you want to upload a thumbnail designed by you, click on this custom thumbnail. It will take you to your gallery where you can upload your own personal thumbnail. But if you want to use a thumbnail from the video, maybe there's a point in your video that is so catchy, and once you are done, come down here and click on done. Also, this is where to add tags, add some basic keywords that relate to your video. Also, category, your video category. And then if you want people to comment on your video and you want it to be seen, to be visible, click on. Okay, if you want to off comments, if you don't want anybody to comment on your video, you girl, okay, go ahead to click on off. I think those are the things that you need to do here. And then once you are done with everything, all the setup, click here to save the settings. You use analytics to understand your audience, you track your video performance, and also adjust your content strategy accordingly. Above all, this is in. Now when you qualify to join the YouTube partnership, this is where everything will be displayed. Okay, when you are qualified. I think I'm done with everything. A comprehensive guide on how to create and customize a professional YouTube channel. I'm so glad that you followed me through this journey, and I believe you got massive value from this tutorial. See you in the next video.